Compare.
Oh my gosh!
yes.
Oh, that just scared the crap out of me.
뭔지 알잖아.
What in the world?
Oh yes.
아 뜨거.
쓰네요.
This is hard.
Okay,
저렇게
okay.
큰 소리가 나죠?
How do you do
I
that?
got this.
Practicing and practicing.
아 프랑스?
Come on.
Yes.
Oh my gosh! You give me a heart attack every time.
I am so sorry. It's my job. Okay.
Okay, I want to test you. Can I taste? I'm gonna test you. I'm gonna test.
Ooh.
I'm gonna test you first.
Right?
Ricardo, we're gonna test you.
Okay.
Okay? This is what we're gonna do.
Okay.
So you have to leave the room for a second.
I have to go outside.
You have to leave.
Oh
You have
my
to
God.
prepare yourself.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Let's play something new.
과연 잘할 수 있을까요?
궁금하다.
이게 궁금해요.
하나는 똑같은 거.
이게 이거 두 개가 코스타리카, 이게 엘살바도르, 이게 과테말라입니다. 오케이. Ricardo! Amigo! Ven acá.
Let's go.
Okay, okay. Entonces hay cuatro, ¿cómo se dice? Tazas.
See?
Right?
And we want to test your ability here. Okay. Which coffee is which?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's cheating.
This is a little bit.
I need to compare.
Okay.
Okay,
fine.
that makes sense.
Yes.
I promise I will do my best. Okay? I am a little bit confused.
You're confused.
Why is it?
It's different. The coffee flavors are changing now.
Ah,
now are
that's-
sweet.
Because the temperature change. 온도가 변하면서 이 맛이 다 지금 다 달라진 거야.
I am so sorry. I
So
am.
Guatemala, El Salvador,
Okay.
and Costa Rica. Go ahead, tell your boss sorry and apologize.